Hi. So, I've been feeling really sick the past few weeks, and I stopped and picked up some Hall's cough drops today. I was sitting here on the bed and I was opening it and I was like, oh my gosh, what is that writing on the wrapping? And as I'm reading it, it is things like nothing you can't handle, a pep talk in every drop. And I thought, how cool is that? Because if you're sick enough to be eating Hall's cough drops, you really do need a pep talk to make you know, hey, it's going to be okay. Be resilient. It's all good. So kudos to Hall's cough drops. Awesome.